In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task status in Goodday. Keeping task statuses up to date is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to keep your projects organized. It helps your team immediately see what's in progress, what's blocked, and what's done, without having to ask for updates. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make in Goodday so you can confidently update any task status. First, start by selecting a task. Make sure you're in the correct project or workspace where your task list is displayed. You'll typically see a list or table of tasks with several columns, such as task name, assignee, due date, and status. Find the specific task you want to update. You can scroll through the list, or if there are a lot of tasks, use the search bar or filters at the top of the screen to locate it quickly. Once you see the task in the list, focus on that row. Next, look for the status column in that same row. This column shows the current state of the task, such as not started, in progress, completed, or any custom status your team may be using. Take a moment to identify this column because you will be using it frequently as you manage your work. If your view has many columns and you don't immediately see status, you may need to scroll horizontally or adjust your view settings so that the status column is visible. Now, within that status column, you'll see the current status of the task. Right beside the status text, there's a small arrow or drop-down indicator. Click on the arrow next to Not Started or whatever the current status is. This click will open a drop-down menu with all the available status options for that task. If the arrow is not obvious, hover your mouse over the status area and it should appear. Once the drop-down menu is open, you'll see a list of statuses you can choose from. These might include options like in progress, on hold, review, or done, depending on how your workspace is configured. Carefully select the status that best reflects the current state of the task by clicking on it. As soon as you click, the drop-down will close and the status column will update to show your new choice. And that's it. You've successfully changed the task status in Goodday. Repeat this process for any other tasks that need updating so your board always reflects reality and your whole team stays aligned.